How's it going this morning? So today we're going to be talking about creating your first course, right? You might be thinking like, why do I need to I can't create my first course. I don't know this, I don't know that, I don't have this. So by the way, if you're watching this, please let me know. Comment below where you're watching from. I'd love to say hi. So we're going to get into course creation. How is it that you can go and create your first course right now? How can you do that? So we'll get into that in a second. My name is Jean-Serge Gagnon. I help you create digital courses so you can live your life on your terms. And as you can see this morning, I'm just inside a mall here. I'm heading to a special event, if you will, for my job. I'm actually going to a day, I guess, retreat, if you want to call it, out of the office with a couple of the managers. We're going to talk about the business. Has nothing to do with course creation, but I'm just telling you that that's kind of what's going on. But if you want to create a course right now, today, and you're not sure how, right? You're not sure what does it take, and I can't do it. I need quizzes, and I need to know what modules I have. I need to know what my content's going to be. I need to know how am I going to do this. I need to know all these things. If you're thinking that you need all that, and you can't do your course until you have all that, right? I got to tell you, you don't need all that. That's all BS. It's all BS. You don't need all that. Sure, if you want a world-class course, you want the best course in the world, you can do all these things, and you need a lot of that. But to do your first course, you definitely do not need almost none of this. So what do you need to create your first course? Well, you need a subject. You need a couple of chapters, if you will, modules or whatever you want to call them, like separators of the topic. And that's basically all you need. You just need that, and then you can create your first course. Of course, you need a place to host your course, but that can be as simple as YouTube. It doesn't have to be a complicated platform. There's so many platforms out there. There's Udemy and Teacher. What is it, Teacher? And anyways, there's tons of them, probably hundreds, right? And of course, there's Click eCourse, which I would certainly appreciate if you use that. But the thing is that's all you need: a place to host your course, a topic, and a separation of the topics, right? And that's all you need. And so when you think about your first course, like I said, it doesn't have to be complicated. It's pretty straightforward. And the best kind of course, by the way, is sure you can do PowerPoint, you can do documents, you can do all sorts of different things. It doesn't have to be video, but I would highly recommend you do video, because video is the quickest way to get all your content across, right? It's the quickest way to have everybody see your whole story, right? Everything that you want out of all this. And this is this is an area here that I actually used to work at, right over here, where the bay is right behind me. This is the Hudson Bay Company down on St. Catherine Street. But anyways, yeah, so that's all you need. So you need a place to host your course. You need your topic. So if your topic is gardening, if your topic is growing your audience on Facebook, if your topic is learning to self-love yourself, whatever your topic is, you need that. Now, of course, there's a ton of other stuff that you need to have a successful course, but I'm not talking about that right now, because all these things you got to learn over time. It's going to take a long time for you to learn all those things. And if you do your course, you're going to have to learn those other things. But if you don't do your course, you're going to struggle trying to learn all these things, trying to be perfect, trying to know everything, which you'll never get. You'll never know everything. The best way to get something done is to take action and do it. All right, so I hope to see you out there, and let me know. I'd love to hear from you. What course are you wanting to create? What's the topic? What's stopping you from creating it right now? Because I can show you how to create right now. I'm actually going to be doing a free 5-day challenge on how to create your very first course in 5 days. It's going to be just a basic course. We're going to show you how to do that, what you need, and where you're going to host it, and how all that works. And then, of course, you need to learn about marketing. You need to learn about promoting. You need to learn about you know, building an audience, all these other things. You need that too, of course, but not to create your first course. So go out there, create your first course. And if you think anybody else needs to hear this message, then please go ahead and share it. I really appreciate that. And don't forget, get on my list. Actually, that 5-day free challenge I'm talking about, it's I've got a waiting list for it. It's going to start very soon, so make sure you message me or comment below if you're interested in being in that list. And we'll see you in the next video.